Okay, this next problem says a bag contains 150 marbles, which are either blue, black, or red. 42% of the marbles are red and 18% of the marbles are blue. How many black marbles are there? So let's figure out the number of red and then blue marbles, and then we'll subtract that sum from 150. So I'm going to take 150 and multiply by 42% as a decimal. So I'm going to multiply by 0.42. That's going to give me the number of red marbles. So we do 2 times 0, 2 times 5 is 10, bring up the 1, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 5 is 20, bring up the 2, 4 times 1 we get 6, so 0, 0, our decimal point there, 3 plus 0 is 0. So we have 63 marbles are red, so 63 red. And now we've got to figure out the number that are blue. So we're going to do 150 times 0.18. So 8 times 0 is 0, 8 times 5 is 40, bring up the 4, 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12. And then we do 1 times 150. Decimal point goes here, 2 plus 5 is 7. So we have 27 marbles are blue. If we add 63 and 27, we're going to get 90. So there's 90 of both of those, so if we take 150 and we subtract 90, we're left with 60 black marbles. So 60 black marbles. And that's our solution for this one.